everybody, Liz Pibito here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to adjust my camera just a little bit. Okay, so let me ask you a question. I'm going to share with you today, I'm just going to put it all out here really quick, and then I'm going to show you. How would you like to save 10 to 70% on your upcoming travels? Would you? I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that. The best hack ever. Let me start out by saying there are no catches, there are no membership fees, there are no nothing. If you're interested after watching this video, all I do is give you a free travel savings website where you book your travels. That's it. In summary, that's it. I give you a free travel savings website. If you book your travels, you save on there, you save money. That's all. Okay. So like I said, no membership fees, no hidden fees, no nothing. Just go check it out. Free to try and free to keep. I'll tell you at the end how to get in contact with me if you want your free site. So really quickly, let me show you the site. Okay. So this site is a website. I'm looking down on my screen. It's a travel savings website from, other way. Okay, the platform is called iGo, and it's an iBoomerang website for you, free customer site. So this is what the customer website looks like here. And I'm actually going to be looking, let me just give me 1 second so I can see the screen that I'm showing you here. And I'm going to be just walking you through the screen. So this is what the customer website looks like, that I would send you an activation code for you to start get your own free website. Okay. You don't have to book here. There are no quotas. Like I said, no membership fees, nothing like that. Okay. So what you do is once you get access to your website, then you just start researching the prices. So far, we have had this much in savings for our customers. So this is a real deal. I actually just traveled to Atlanta this past weekend. I was able to upgrade to a suite for the price of a regular room using our travel site. So I have that video on my page if you want to, on my Facebook page, if you want to look at that. I'll upload it to YouTube as well. So like I said, all you do, it's just like using one of the other travel booking engines. You just simply choose whatever you want to book, and then it shows you. So let's just look at hotels just for fun here really quick. Let's just say you want to go to Destin, Florida. You're going to type in Destin, Florida, and then you're going to type in your dates. Let's just say you want to go July 15th through the 20th. Let's say you want to go 15th through the 19th. And then you click search, and this is like going to Ross or Marshall. So our highest savings, you don't know exactly what hotel. So if you're looking for a specific hotel, you may not get as high of a percentage of a discount. But if you are open to staying at different hotels, then that's where you're going to see the higher rate of a discount. Okay, so see how all these hotels now Florida is a hot spot during the summer. So, we're only seeing like 13% or 8% or 5%. That's still going to pay for your lunch or dinner while you're there. Okay. But let me show you really quick. So let me go over this real fast because I don't want this to be a long video, because I have other videos where I really go into detail walking you through this site. I just want to hit the main points today. So yes, you're going to get a percentage off on hotels, cruises, cars, and weeks. However, flights, we do have the flights option for you to book your flights on our platform, but there is no discount on flights. Airlines just don't give discounts out. So I want to make that very clear up front that we do not give discounts on flights, but you can book on our site and earn reward points. So anything that you book on our site, even though it's at a discount already, you still will earn reward points as well. Okay. So I want to definitely show you this. Let me show you 2 things. Okay. Actually, I'm going to show you 3 things when it's all said and done. But throughout, let's just say ocean cruises. So we do run specials on cruises. So make sure you're checking this often if you're a cruise person, because just last week we ran a free $200 like boat credit. I forgot. I've never been on a cruise, so I don't know. It's like a port credit or something where you can buy whatever you want to on the thing. So make sure you're checking the site frequently for specials. You'll also be getting emails on specials that are running once you activate your iGo site. But guys, I have to show you the weeks tab, because that's where you're going to find your 60 to 70% off deals. Okay. Let me start by saying you don't have to stay the full 7 nights. If you can only stay 5 nights, then stay 5 nights, but you're still going to get such an incredible price on these trips that it's worth booking the week. Okay. Let me show you. Let's say you want to go to and you're going to scroll and see all the different options, and it's worldwide. It's not just in the US. You can go to the Caribbean, you can go to Mexico, you can go, to Europe. There's, look, Australia, South America, Central America, Asia. There's all kinds of opportunities here. But let's just say you want to go to Cancun. Okay, so let's type in Cancun, and let's say you want to go in August. So let's just say like August 12th, it's gonna, and then you tell the engine, do you want to search within 7 days, or let's just say you're open to looking within 35 days. Okay, so let's search here. Takes a second, for just a second. So now over here, you can define your search down to different places, but let's just leave it open right now. Okay, so I want to show you this. Okay, so look at this. This top one here, it's $106 for the entire 7 nights. That's pretty awesome. But let's just say I want to stay at a 4-star resort or more. So now I'm going to keep looking down. Now I found a 4-star here for $219 for the week. Let's keep going. So see what I'm saying, guys? You have to search a little bit. Oh, look at this one, the Mayan Palace Mayan Riviera, 5-star for $263 for the entire week. The entire week. So this is a great opportunity for you to save a ton of money on your upcoming travels, especially, like I said, if you're open to trying new places and your dates are a little bit flexible. That's where you're going to get the 60 to 70% off on the weeks tab. So check that out for sure. Also, one last thing I want to show you really quickly is I want to show you our price guarantee. So I just posted today. All you need to do, you could go read the terms and conditions once you're in your site, but if you find a better price on any other travel booking engine, all you have to do is copy and paste the URL here, tell us what their price was, and we will refund you the difference, 110% of the difference, as reward points. So, and that will happen within about 48 hours, you'll get those reward points. So yeah, we'll make up the difference for you if you find a better price. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed looking over this website. I would love to give you your own travel booking website. Again, it's free, 0 catches. There are no catches here, guys. I just give you a free travel saving site. When you book your travel, you get reward points, and I get paid a commission. And you're like, wait a minute, 60 to 70% off, or even 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% off. How are you going to get a commission too? Let me explain to you how that happens, because I was like, when I first got started with iBoomerang, I was like, wait a minute. How does that work? Let me tell you how it works. It works because our company buys in massive bulk. And so we're buying in wholesale bulk. So even though we will give our customers a discount, we're still leaving some money left over for the company and the representative like myself to make money. Okay, so that's how I make a commission. I only earn a commission if you save money. It's a pretty sweet deal. So if you would like more information on, or if you'd like to get your own free travel website, just contact me. The best way to contact me is through Facebook. So you can message me and get with me there. Or I will leave a link to where you can watch an interactive presentation, and I'll contact you back from that. So if you want information on doing what I do, which is give out free travel saving sites and earn a commission